They both say Indian Pacific, but that's shinier than that one.
Yeah, that one's a bit more faded than that one. I'd say he's had a repaint.
I was about to say, he might have a repaint.
Okay. Clayton, he's waving. Really good. He waved. People waving at us. The main way, Clayton.
Yeah, that's all good.
Waiting inside.
I know, it's so cool. Buffet.
Yeah.
That's hectic. I want to go in the Pacific.
Dining car.
Oh, that's mad.
There's the kitchen.
I love that one.
These are more the luxury ones.
Yep.
Yeah, Clayton, does he have to do the same thing as the other one?
Yeah.
Push that one up in?
Well, no, that loco will detach and come and push it. Platinum service.
Platinum.
Ooh.
That's
Oh.
more expensive.
That's
Ooh,
shiny.
shiny.
Shiny. Look at the shiny. What's that ding noise? Ding, ding, ding.
There goes a camper of such Griffith.
Oh, hello.
Yeah. Oh, look at the beds and food. Oh, beer. Alcohol. Oh, I smell the brakes of it.
Gold service.
And he has to push the rest in.
Yep.
Same thing.
Yeah, he'll stop probably just enough room to get it switching out between the points down there.
And push the rest in. Or poo, maybe not. You might fit it all in. There's the last carriage.
Something red.
Red.
Ooh, red service.
Oh, bed. No, you fit the whole lot in.
Just pulled the whole lot in.
Holy shit.
You got one, don't you? This one was longer than the other one.
Oh, look at that. Good train. Stop.